Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit aesthetic couple photos in Gemini AI. So if you want to edit and create aesthetic couple shots using Google Gemini AI, here I'm going to show you how you can do it so it will make your images look natural, romantic, and aesthetics. So these are currently trending, especially on TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to have this photo, you can just follow my steps in here. So you can just download Gemini app first if you don't have one, and then make sure that you already have a Google account. Then just launch the Gemini apps and make sure you use the Nano Banana AI feature. You can click on this button in here, or click on these tool options at the bottom and choose create image with the banana icon on it. And now here's the prompt that I use. You can use this prompt. So here's the prompt: reimagine these photos into a professional high quality black and white studio portrait of a couple. So this one is optional. If you don't want to have a black and white photo, you can skip this or delete this. And the woman with her hair in a messy top bun is standing behind the man. She has her arm wrapped around his neck and her hands are clasped in front of him. So that's the pose. And the man is seated with his head turned slightly toward the camera. And here is the outfit, wearing a simple black t-shirt, and the woman is wearing a white collared shirt. And the lighting is soft and even, and the background is a smooth light gray, providing a clean contrast. So now the next step, you can just upload the photos. You can use a photo with 2% on it or two different photos. So I'm going to use two different photos in here. Okay, I'm going to use this photo and also this one. You can tap on done. Once the video is uploaded, click on this button to generate the image. So Gemini will load for a few seconds. You can just wait until the result is out. Okay, so here is the result. Okay, so it's actually pretty accurate with the prompt that I provided. So if you're satisfied with the result, you can just download it right away by clicking on this drop down button, then share it to your social media. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.